Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's adventure. We're out here at Wat Phra Singh in the center of Chiang Mai. I'm trying a new thing called horizon lock, where the camera's supposed to just keep the horizon and track me. We'll see how that comes out in post on the X360 X5, 10,000 megawatts. Puch, don't even got 1 megawatt, do ya? They need to trim the bushes a little bit here, but we are here at the Wat Phra Singh, Chiang Mai. Let me take you inside the temple grounds here. Yesterday was a holiday, so the markets were lively. They're supposed to be a little bit quieter, so I wanted to come out and check out the temple on a quieter day. You got to take off the sunglasses to just appreciate this thing. Little tuk-tuk, you need a tuk-tuk. What is this little bird doing here? So the Wat Phra Singh isn't just one beautiful temple. This is the main temple, but then once you get into the back, that's when it gets serious. I'll go ahead and park these shades off yonder. God, I can't wait to get in there and pray. Have your activities and everything, but find a temple near you and just go make some prayer. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 36 bells on this side. Sheesh. Huh. Like I said, go do your fun activities, but a temple shouldn't be a daily activity that you're gonna, pay to go and that's gonna be your activity. You should integrate your temples throughout your prayer and your downtime. So we've come out and explored these temple grounds, Wat Phra Singh. It's time to go in and make our prayer. I'm so excited.